Smart glasses, sensors, and self-driving cars. What do all these things have in common? IoT and edge computing, which I'm going to break down for you today in this episode of Future Trends. Hi, I'm Mandy Steinhardt, strategic futurist, intelligence expert, and career coach. Now, first, let's define these terms. IoT, the Internet of Things, is the network of connected devices that collect and share data. Your smartwatch, your GPS, even your smart thermostat. Edge computing takes this further. It is when data is processed right where it's collected instead of sending it all to the cloud to process, such as AWS. For consumers, we're seeing exponential growth in IoT. Smart glasses are moving beyond Google's early experiments. Apple and Meta are betting big on AR glasses that overlay digital information into your field of view. Activity trackers, they're not just counting steps anymore. They're monitoring sleep patterns, stress levels, and even predicting health issues before symptoms appear. But the real transformation is happening in business. Companies are deploying millions of sensors across their operations in factories, supply chain, and infrastructure. These aren't just collecting data, they're using AI to make split-second decisions. Imagine a manufacturing plant where sensors detect equipment failures weeks in advance, or a logistics network where edge AI optimizes delivery routes in real time based on traffic, weather, and demand patterns. Here's the key. AI is the force multiplier that makes IoT and edge truly powerful. Without AI, you just have mountains of data from these sensors. With AI, you have intelligent systems that learn, adapt, and act autonomously. This convergence is creating massive efficiency gains for businesses, reduced downtime, optimized energy use, and predictive maintenance that saves billions. For professionals, this means new career paths in IoT architecture, edge AI development, and data systems integration. The companies that master this trinity, IoT, edge, and AI, will dominate their industries. Follow me to learn more about the tech trends shaping our future.